Alright, I hope that you can hear me well. Good evening. Wait, hold on. This is currently up. No, actually. Wait, hold on. Yeah, I just said good evening, right? And it is actually 2 p.m. 2:10 p.m. in Vietnam now. So I messed up. I messed it up again. Yeah. But well, okay, so hello again, Minh is here, and this is Quarter 211, a stream series that contains multiple activities such as developing, which is the thing that we will do this season. Yes, I know that I'm not streaming that frequently, but at least that I am still working with the Catechism management project quite frequently now. Not like every single day, but like whenever I have time, I always try to look into some aspect of it. Yeah, and I will say that I will try to stream more frequently on Saturday, because sometimes I just feel that I want to sit alone and work alone, like completely offline. But there will be some days that I have the spirit to stream the session like this one. Yes, we don't really have a time limit right now, like the countdown, as you can see, but I will actually end in 4:30, which is about which will actually stream for about 2 hours and 30 minutes. Not really 2 hours and 30 minutes, maybe 2 hours and 20 now, because it is already 10 minutes past 2 p.m. here. So yeah, I think that is on the intro, and I actually just updating the thing. So if I restart the thing really quickly now, yeah. So before we actually jump in, let me update you really quick about what I already achieved. So to do that, I actually need to open Chromium now, and I will go to the production. So let me actually log in. Please wait for a bit. Wow, hold on a second. Okay, I hope that I am in now. And the thing is, you can see that we already have a new UI here, which I did a little bit things over there. We have our logo inside here. We have the number of version here, and we are having a completely new UI that I came up with. So clicking on here, you will basically able to seeing the whole list of a unit of a class. And here you can see the attendance, and you can do attendance here. Okay, so everything's work quite well now. I actually changing the front end deployment a bit. So the front end is now using Cloudflare. I don't know if I pronounce that correctly, but I am using Cloudflare pages to deploy that, while the back end is still on my VPS. And I think that is a really good setup, because it's actually speed up the front end like quite a lot, because like you have the CDN of Cloudflare all over the places. Yeah, I think that is the highlight that I already achieved. So now I am planning to have now like a feature for someone to go inside here and changing some of the information there, and there first the password. So that's what will be the thing I am focusing into right now. So let's work and chill, guys. Yeah, let's do that. Ow, that's hurt. Okay, let's work. Alright. Well, there's a problem. I am currently thinking like, yeah, the post should be good already, and somehow this request does not come through with cross origin. That's a bit strange. What else could I look at? Okay, I actually need to look at the whole thing again because like it should already be correct, right? The thing is, I don't really have any special configuration for that root, but somehow it got me, I don't know, cross origin error. What the heck am I currently looking here? So at least I see that it's actually jumped inside here, which means it is calling the API as I wanted. The only problem is it seems that it failed at the option thing and does not let me continue. What could actually be the case? Am I doing something different from the attendance? Hold on a second. It should be this file. The problem with that one is it's actually not throwing any status code here, so there is something preventing the request from happening. So it is not the status code. It is not even reaching the handler function in the API. I already allowed the method here, so that should be good, right? Proxy of white. Where do I do the return? It should be. Let's look at the store again. The request body looks good. This one is good as well. Yeah, restarting the dev server. Okay, let's see if that helps. Nope, it is still not working. I don't think that is the proxy problem. Am I configuring the API incorrect here? Let me look at it again. So we've got the handlers, which is the correct, like all the blueprint is here. Method view, hold on a second. Let me cross check it with this one. Wait. Wow. Wait. Whoo. Am I really forget to put authentication here? Now, if they are reaching the same problem, then there is an answer for that. Not really. But at least I just figured out that, what the hell is this? I just figured out that I completely forget to do the authentication check here, so I just drop that in and it should look pretty good now. Is there anything that I'm missing here? Attendance check endpoint. Just do the name of it. So the URL is account change password, which is fine. I already allow the method here. That's actually a good suggestion because I haven't tested the API yet. So maybe that is the next step here. Let me actually fire up Postman here to see if I... Oh, I haven't installed Postman yet. Okay, that's fun. Hold on a bit. I am installing it now. Oh, come on. I actually use LiDARs for, let's say, 7 years now, so that's quite normal actually. I use Arc Linux by the way. Okay, Postman is installed. It take a look. It take a bit to pop up here, so yeah. Authentication, right? Yeah, I need to sign in. Hold on a second. Yes, this one. Ah, wait, I actually want to sign in with GitHub instead. Yes. Oh yeah. Yeah, I heard that they actually have like a whole system that is like general use for all of the parish there. I don't know if that is the case, but we are at the moment at my parish. We are still doing things normally by Excel and things. So I decided that okay, I actually want to do something a bit different. So that's where I am coming in now. Okay, we are having the thing here. Let me actually log in very quickly. I actually need to authenticate, right? We have the login here. Okay. Oh, need environment as well. That is 500. Hold on. Is it the base URL? Did I forget to set the base URL? Yes. Do I need to slash API? Yeah, do I need to slash API? Yes. No, I don't need to. Okay. Okay, login success, authentication success. Let's call something. Okay, that worked. Let's try to draft a thing. Let's clone out this one, duplicate, and let's say change password. And the body, I will want to pass in something. For example, it passed, so the API seems working well. So there is only something inside here that is incorrect. Oh wait, hold on. Maybe. Let's look closely at the request again to see if it's actually is that one or I actually messed things up. That looks fine. That actually look pretty fine. Current password, confirm password, and new password. That's fine. That's really fine. So there is something else. The API actually works correctly. At least it's passed and it actually jumped into the handler. What else what else could be the problem? I definitely missed something. Let's look at the boot file to make sure that I already is. Yeah, this one already bit. I already do it. I already did it. The course is already allowed. Because if it's not allowed yet, then there is no way I can actually do this, because this is also using a post request here. I actually can do that already. So the course actually already work. I have the story here, the rule, the page, the login page. Let's not do that. What else do I miss? Let's do another cross check here very quickly, because like this is logging in, and this is this one. So this is /login/accounts. Oh wait, did it actually sending the cookies also? It should already be, right? I should have. Yeah, we already have it. We already have it. We already have the authentication cookies there. Yeah, raw HTTP. Let's see, what do we have? Am I actually having a stuck trace or something? Will it help? The stack trace doesn't have at all. Should not be a problem. Let's go with C URL. What do we have? We already have the data here. If I try to copy something else, we have the remember token things here, but I doubt that is a problem. That may be a thing. Yes. Let me try. Is that saying to me that is 404 for some reason? What the heck? So that means I expose it. Hold on a second. Let me check one more thing. And maybe this is me being stupid again. West Chrome. What is the IP? What is the request URL actually? What is the request URL we're actually talking about here? Though that is something, yeah. So 404, huh? For that, what? Then what actually happened here? Like, am I exposing it incorrectly or something? So I have this one right here, the user profile blueprint, which is also here, and it is already being registered here. The URL prefix is actually only prefix the API segment, so that's fine. And the request surely already contains it. Yes, I'm doing the backend check now. The thing is, the same URL here, if I call with Postman, it actually jump in right here because like it's actually in. It's actually in. What am I doing? Damn it. Yeah, it's me. It's my fault. Now, come on. Ah. Okay. Woo. Yeah, basically it's me. Completely messed up the URL. Oh, it took me like 30 minutes just to figure it out that I put an S where I don't actually want to. Okay. Yay, a typical Saturday, as you can say. Alright, now let's try to do a real one. Let's see. Boom, that's it. Yeah, I actually will need to find some way to actually handle that, but if I am doing the login again, should work. Okay, so it's basically just some, how can I say this? It will definitely just need some more refinement. And just a little bit more like warning to tell the user that after changing the password, I will actually kick you out and you actually need to log in again. That's good. Now it's 4:07. I did set from the beginning that I will actually stay here until 4:30, right? So let's actually doing a little bit more things. So this part right here, the attendance check, will be a bit more convenient to use. So I basically have a list here. Let's try to have a quick search box that will filter the whole list very quickly. Because at the moment, like if someone come to me say, hey, this is my name, then I actually need to like strolling back and forth between the name of the whole list here, which actually having a problem regarding the sorting as well, because I'm not really sorting it by Vietnam locale. So the name is a little bit mixed up there. That is absolutely a thing I need to look at as well. For now, let's just add very quick here a search box that I can use to filter the list using the full name. Let's do it. And that will all happen locally on the front end, so at least we don't actually need to get to the back end anymore. Where is that page? Actually should be this one. Yes, we got everything we need here. Let's do things really quickly. I born in 1994, so live with it. Let's see. Where's my cursor? Let me actually just copy and paste something really quickly. And the input here that I can use, touch field. And if they happen to have something that already have like the search and the clear button, I will be more than happy to use it. I don't want to reinventing anything, so I will try to use it as much as I can. Is it a dark mode? Yes. slot before avatar. What is the avatar? So that one is will be here. So that is 2 more up, 1 and 2. We have the flight takeoff, right? Flight takeoff, yes, so that is 1 more. Placeholder. We have the calendar, we have the logo, we have this one. Okay, let's just insert things really quickly here, and the icon surely will need to be something else. MDI close. Need to get down here and define a model as well, so we already have the ref. Not enough. Actually need to put it into a div or something. Let's put it right here. MDI close. What is that icon called? Yes. Oh, so I don't actually need this one. So hold on a second. I don't need the prepend. I only need the append. And if I input something here, press this one, it clear. That looks pretty good. No, we don't need this. Okay. And I actually want to want this to be the border. What is the type here? No, not really. That called outline, not border. Okay, that looks good. What the heck is this? Should be bottom slot. We don't need this. And let's not do counter as well. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's do this as a class. Can I just make it dance? And I don't think I actually need a label, any label. Yes, let's do it. Let's actually make this happen as well. So if it is enough. Not really. Let's try this one. Oh. Okay. right? And if I inputting anything inside now, yes, it worked. Let's say the placeholder. Now, let's go down here. Yeah, I actually want to have like something regarding the full name here, because the name of the student is actually this, like segment like this. And I don't actually want to call in for like, yeah, is there any way better, like normally I only use the name, right? So I guess I can live with it, no worries at all. But if they actually want to use like two words to find like the middle name and the first name, for example, together, then I definitely want to combine those names. The thing is, where do I want to do the combination? Because like we have this part right of the attendance entry. We fetch every single thing, which is good. The front end might become laggy if I continuously to call this one. So let's not do that. Instead, I will try to do a thing, and that is let's look at the structure of the response again, because I will want to know how the response look like. So we got dot student dot full name. And if I am going up here and say that it should still work. It is still work, and I am now having a place to do that. Now how will I be able to? Okay, right here we have a before, right? Let's do a beef. let's say it contains the list of what do I call the quick filter test. I don't think we'll actually happy, right? Computed. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I cannot do it in an easy way like that one. Makes sense, makes sense, makes sense. So that is the computer. The thing is I actually want to... It should be the same ref. It must be the same ref, I mean... It should be the same ref because like I don't actually want to managing two refs, two different refs. So this is not a VIF, right? But how about a VShow or something like that? Hold on. Let's do VShow. I think VShow is actually a better choice. Because the thing here is I only want to control the visibility, but I actually want to keep the underlying ref being intact. As I expected, we have nothing. Or maybe I actually mess up with the function here. Okay, let's see if I say we got it. Oh, where's my Vietnamese thing? That actually worked. The thing is, yeah. Let me do another thing as well. Lowercase. It is not a function. Okay. Completely forgot now. Google. JavaScript lowercase. Hello. 2 lowercase. Okay. 2 lowercase. And check the includes. Refresh the page again. I think I'm still wrong, right? I actually need to do this. Wow. Okay, at least working now. Actually, I also want to do a little bit more convenient, like if there's an then I will say an A or something like that. But I think that it will require a little bit more process there, but at least I am having a very quick searching here that I can just use and filter the name of the student if I need. Yes, that is it. So I guess we finished like 3 more things. Not like 3 more things, but a small convenient search box right here for helping with the attendance. And inside the configuration page, we are now having a way to changing the password. Yes, okay. So that is it. I will try to deploy those two in the production this evening, and I hope that it will help and make my work of the doing attendance check better tomorrow. And regarding the QR code, it's actually lying next in my to-do list, so that's actually quite many things to do. I actually need to design a simple card with QR code, and I actually need to write a function that helps me to do the attendance with QR code as well. I actually did it once. It worked pretty fine. So I will actually do many copy paste on that one, and I don't know if I will do that online, but there you go. That will be the next thing I am focusing on. Also, for the back end, there is just one thing that I want to show you here. So if I am opening the database really quickly, not the back end but the database. Okay, hold on a second. Now, I hope that my virtual machine have enough RAM to fire this up. It is firing it up, so that is good. Yeah, so if I'm putting just here, you will see that we have like 12 tables at the moment. Everything is in the published schema. I am having a plan in my head at the moment to separate some tables to a different schemas. For example, I think that the user accounts need to go to another schemas, mainly because I actually want to group every single logic regarding the user account. There we are having the user account profile, the RBAC implementation, which I actually also need to look at later on. And yeah, so yeah, something like that. And maybe I will actually need to move some tables out along the way, like this student, where later on down the road I actually want to have the students an application that they also want, that they can actually use as well. And yeah, that will be quite interesting, because like the whole system is contains multiple parts that is interact with on the, and that is it is actually pretty big at the moment. So it's actually pretty big later on. Small at the moment, but I have like quite big intention for how the system should look and how the system should work. So this thing is definitely not just regarding the coding and the technology, but I also need to consider the architecture of it as well. And to me, that is a very good practice for me, because I am also chasing the career path of an architect in my company at the moment. So that's good, and I hope that I can build up something that our parish can actually begin to use. If I actually want to look further in the future also, the whole code, the whole source, the whole system that I wrote, I actually made it open source. So I might actually want to make it a little bit more generic and general. So like if anyone or any parish that they want to pull down the system and deploy and use, that's fine. I am actually quite happy. But that is the ultimate goal for now. I always dream big, you know. Okay, I guess that's it. I will definitely sit here a bit more to finish up a little bit of touching here and there, adding some warnings, some confirmation box and something like that. And I hope that I can actually do the deployment this evening. Yes. Yes, and I guess that will be it for today's session. Yes, goodbye then. I don't really know that if I I don't know if I really want to do any stream or like any more session of streaming, but if I feel like it, then I will continue to stream, unless I have like I actually have a friend today in the Twitch chat that that's sorry to say that since I am tending to focus quite much. But yeah, at least you actually work with me and help me a little bit to figure it out that I am stupid again. So thank you for that. And I guess I will. I hope that you can actually continue to support me and Carter 211, and thank you for the following as well. For everyone else, if you don't know me or you still watch me and you still following me, I am streaming on Twitch, twitch.tv/Carter211. I don't know if it's 2024 or something. Let me actually double check it to make sure that I'm getting the correct link to you. This will be twitch.tv/Carter211. So that's good. I am also on YouTube, youtube.com/c/@Carter211 2024, and I also have a Facebook page as facebook.com/Carter211 as well. Thank you very much, and I see you next time. Bye for now. Peace.